Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about the linear search algorithm. In linear search algorithm, we compare target element with the each element of the array, and if the target element found in the array, then we return the position of that element from the array. And if we reach at the end of array and we do not found the target value, then we return the -1. The linear search is also called as a sequential search because it check element in order. And here is the example. We have a array here, and this is the target element. We compare this element firstly with the 15, then with 25, then 35. It will be then it found at 45. Then we return the position of that element from the array. For example, its array start from the 0, 1, 2, 3. We will return the position 3 in this algorithm. So let's go to write a code to perform this algorithm. Let's create a file first. Linear search .py. Okay, firstly I'm going to define a function for search, and then I take two parameters. One is array, another is target element. Then I start a for loop and run the loop till the length of array. We use a len length function to check the length of array. Then we use a if condition to compare target value with array each element, and if we found it, then we return I. Otherwise we will return -1. This is a function we have write down. Now we have to call the function and check the other condition. This condition is to check the file is running on the command from terminal or not. And then I'm going to copy the array from here, and then I copy the target element. I'm giving it I give it x. Then I call the search function array x. I store the result in the result variable. Then I check the condition if result not equal to -1. Then I print. I use a f here because I want to use a variable inside the string. Element found at position. I use a curly brackets for the element, print the result here. Then I will use else, print if element not found, element not found. I save the file, and I'm going to run the file on the terminal. Python 3 paste element found at the position number 3. And if I change it to 0, or I change it to 43, because this element is not available in the array. Let's run the file again. It element not found. It's perfectly working fine here. So this is the code for linear search. That's the end of video. Thank you.